విశాఖలోని సింహాచలం రైల్వే స్టేషన్ వద్ద ఈస్ట్ కోస్ట్ రైల్వే ఆధ్వర్యంలో మాక్ డ్రిల్ నిర్వహించారు. ప్రమాదాలు జరిగినప్పుడు సిబ్బంది ఎలా స్పందించాలో ఈ మాక్ డ్రిల్లో చూపించారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో డిఆర్ఎం లలిత్ బోహరా, సేఫ్టీ మెకానికల్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిబ్బంది పాల్గొన్నారు.
और बुलाइए, आइए इधर आइए, और भी उतरिए ना।
the water. Then also we have an arrangement that inside water we have a machines which can cut the coach and rescue the passengers. Because there is a possibility that the coach may fall into some river or bridge and passengers are in the water. In that case, the welding arrangement has to be different. So this is a demonstrative piece for that how we can do it. So here you can see a rod. They will cut this rod. The similar way you can see they are cutting and they have cut the entire coach. So if somebody is stuck behind, the person can be gone. So if NDRF is using a different way, this is a different way. So all these will come together and use their strength to rescue the passenger in case of accident.
Thank you.
नमस्कार। आज जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे एक जॉइंट मॉक एक्सरसाइज हो रही है रेलवे के अंतर्गत। रेलवे का एक सिनेरियो दिया है रेलवे ने, जिसमें एक ट्रेन है जो डिरेल हो गई है और उसमें कुछ लोग घायल हो गए हैं, जिसमें जॉइंट टीम रेलवे की तथा एनडीआरएफ की एक कंपनी है आरआरसी में लोकेटेड, जो कि सूचना मिलने पर तुरंत यहाँ पर रिस्पॉन्ड किया है और यहाँ पे आई है और तुरंत एक्शन में आके एनडीआरएफ ने अभी तक आज की मॉक एक्सरसाइज में 5 इंजर्ड लोगों को निकाला है, जिसको कि फर्दर इलाज के लिए भेज दिया गया है। आज की मॉक एक्सरसाइज बहुत अच्छी तरह से कंडक्ट हुई है। इस तरह की मॉक एक्सरसाइज चलती रहनी चाहिए सो दैट हम किसी भी इवेंचुअलिटी के लिए प्रिपेयर रहें। थैंक यू।
So this is an annual exercise which Indian Railway every division do with the NDRF and all associated agencies to understand our preparedness in case of some accident where the passengers are involved. In that sequence, today we have organized a mock drill, and here as you can see there are 3 coaches, one air conditioned coach and there are 2 other non-air conditioned coach, so that our team get an experience of how to break into those coaches and see to it that they can rescue the passenger. We have taken the support of KV school and our own employees. We have made them sit into as a passenger, and the coaches are being broken. The passengers, the dummy passengers are being rescued, and they are being provided the first aid here, and at the same time the entire coach cuttings etc., the preparedness will be checked, because when it comes to air AC coaches and non-AC coaches, the preparation is entirely different, and it also more or less ensure that what activity we can do in what time and what are the prescribed thing, what are the gaps and how to fill up those gaps. So this all exercise has been done to see that we are prepared for any future accident.